Hello, Facebook. We are getting back on live today. I'm finishing up this wig right here that we have been wand curling. We had to take a little break because a customer came in. Actually, we had a couple of customers come in. And yeah, so we are here at Magic Hair Company. We are the best glueless wig supplier in Culver City, California, USA. Our wigs can only be found at magichaircompany.com or right here in our Culver City store. Now, let's talk about this, ladies and gentlemen. When you're coming into our Culver City store, you are required to wear a mask. It's not optional. Also, we're going to ask you to put some hand sanitizer on when you come in here. So 2 things, you're going to wear a mask and you're going to put hand sanitizer on. Those are the rules. So we just had a customer come who did not like that at all. And she said we were very disrespectful for asking her to put some hand sanitizer on before she touches all over, whatever. But we just wanted to make it very clear, ladies and gentlemen, that we are going to ask you to wear a mask and put on some hand sanitizer. So she didn't like it. Did she cuss at me? Did she come? She came in here, she cursed at me. She told me I was a terrible business owner. She said that's why we black people don't stick together, because I asked her to put some hand sanitizer on before she came in my store. And then she said, I can buy your business. The audacity. What's her name? Dolly. Her name's Dolly something. Like, that's rude. Like, why? Who talks like that? Who comes into other people's businesses and says, I can buy your business. I don't have to put on hand sanitizer. Ma'am, you and your rat's nest on your head can go somewhere else. Please don't come in my store and be rude or disrespectful. We're never rude or disrespectful to anybody here. Please put on a mask, ladies and gentlemen. We're in LA County, it's a pandemic, there's germs. Please wear a mask, put some hand sanitizer on. I don't have a mask on right now because I'm in my corner of the store. We have a huge store, and that's why I don't have a mask on. But yeah, if you're just tuning in, we are currently still having our 20% off sale. That lady was really rude for no reason. Please don't come in and be rude to us. Let us know if you guys have any questions. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm just going to get back to curling this wig here, but let me know in the comment section below if it is, because she said I was being unreasonable for the hand sanitizer. Yeah, so we only asked her once to put on hand sanitizer. It's right by the door. She said, you guys are being unreasonable. So she said I took her $50. Yeah, then she tried to act like she lost her $50. She was trying to pay, and she only came in for like some shampoo, so she wasn't coming in to get hair. And first she had a $50 bill in her hand, but ended up paying card. But in the meantime, she said, where's my $50? I said, it's in your hand, ma'am. No, that's not it. But I'm looking at it in her hand. Like, lady, I don't know who you are and where you come from, but please don't come in my business being disrespectful. Please wear a mask. Please wear hand sanitizer. Please put some hand sanitizer on. And then when she left, as I do with every client, we wipe down the station after you leave, wipe down the door. She gets out of her car. And what'd she say? She said I was being rude. You're being rude for wiping down. I was being rude for wiping down the door. And the door and the case where she was sitting her stuff at. Which we wipe down after every customer, as we explained to her. Especially a client who doesn't want to put on hand sanitizer. Yeah, I'm going to wipe it down after you. So that's when she came back in to tell me I was rude, and that she can buy my business. I can buy your business. Ma'am, that's rude and not very nice. So again, please don't come in being rude at Magic Hair Company. we're a nice company. We're like, I don't understand why she acted crazy like that for no reason. The wig I have on is wig number 472, I believe. It's 472. It's 16 inch. It has some brown and blonde colors in it. And this wig here has a like red to purple kind of ombre on it. Our wigs are available, ladies and gentlemen, at magichaircompany.com. Yeah, that was really rude. Ma'am, that's not nice. I can buy your business. You don't even know what I do here. You know, usually it's just when I'm asking people, oh, can you put your mask up? Can you put your mask up? Put your mask up. But for her to come back in with her mask off after I asked her to put hand sanitizer on, it's just like, lady, you just want to be rude. Like, I don't understand why you're trying to fight with us. I don't get it. It's not like I asked her to take her shoes off. That's crazy. I'm glad I was here when she came in.
I'm happy too. It would have been a different story.
You guys are rude here. This is why black people can't stick together. Ma'am, I asked you to put on hand sanitizer. Like, what does that have to do with other issues? I don't get it. And she says she's vaccinated. If you watch the news, it says that people who are vaccinated are still getting the virus. So, what she was going to do with the product that she got from here anyways, because you can't put my products in synthetic hair. I mean, you can, but that rat mess she had going on up there talking about I can buy your business, but your wig's only about $20 and it looks like a $20 short curly wig, ma'am. I can buy your business. Let's start by putting on hand sanitizer. The heck? That's crazy.
You were very professional. You're more professional than I would have been. you were very professional.
But you know what? Cause I felt like a comment coming on, but then you deflected.
Yeah, she was just gonna be like, "Why?" So I'm like, "Okay, come."
Right.
Like, let's just get this over. I want to make.
What do you mean? Why are you asking why you have to put hand sanitizer on? Like, it's squirt, squirt. Put it on. Let's move on. Like, I don't understand. I can buy your business. This is why we can't stick together. I don't, man. Put your mask on, put some hand sanitizer on, let's go.
This is why, but when you go different places, when you go to the mall.
I bet you she wouldn't act like that at Nordstrom's or Neiman. I bet you she would have put on a mask and hand sanitizer then.
But when you go to the mall, those people the security guards are in the elevator, wiping down the elevator as you come down all day. So are you offended by that? Like,
she's only offended that I wiped off the door as I do with everybody that comes in.
Right.
Ma'am. I don't. And then she came back in to tell us she's vaccinated. Okay. Like, okay, you're over 65. You should be vaccinated. Like, we're clearly not, so we don't qualify yet. Like, what the heck? She's really making me be out of character.
She tried it though.
I never had anybody talk to me like that in the store.
And you had your store for like 8 years and never before?
Nope, nobody's ever. normal rude, because we deal with customers who are having a bad day and are rude. But she was like, she said, do you know who I am?
Yeah.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? This is my store. Ma'am, do you know who I am? I can buy your store. First of all, people that really can buy my store don't talk like that. That'd be funny. That's her calling. Give me the phone.
Hi, we're open from 10:36.
I'll be here until 7 today.
What are you open? Yes. What time do you want to come in? Because we're working on appointment preferred. Okay. Okay, did you know what you were looking for? Oh, wait, don't go over here.
If you're just tuning in, we're open Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Appointment preferred. Please wear a mask.
Do we have any wavy bundles coming?
Wavy bundles.
Or curly bundles?
We have what length?
18 or 16.
We have 16-inch wavy here.
Do we have any wide range?
See what it is.
So I know these, but we have anything coming?
Not yet. In about a month, we'll restock the wavy and curly bundles.
Hello? Okay, so I do have a wavier texture. It's not curly, but it's a wave. But as far as curly, I don't have any curly here until about a month. So yeah. Yeah, let me get your information. So I have something like that again. So I have something like right. It can be straight, but it doesn't. It's not curly, so it's like a loose wave. Similar, not as wavy. So probably not what you're kind of looking for. If you want something.
Oh, here's Alicia. I can't wait to tell Alicia what.
I have to go and stock of all the clothes. I don't have the bundle here in the back.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to check out our sale going on right now at magichaircompany.com. The wig I have on is wig number,
Can we custom order bundles?
yes.
2 weeks? 3 weeks?
It'll be 2 to 3. Yes. Huh?
Hello?
Check us out at magichaircompany.com. Bye, guys. And we are having a 20% off sale right now online.